Hey guys, it's Miss G again. I just wanted to give you a quick weekly update of what your week is going to look like. What I want you to do is to go back and listen to any of the previous chapters of Sun if you haven't already. I believe we've made it to chapter 6, but just go back, listen to those chapters, and annotate. Make sure you're keeping up with the annotations and the vocabulary for your notes. I'm not going to post any new chapters this week because I want you to go back and catch up on the ones that you need to if you've missed any. I'm also going to open back up the Mastery Connect practices lionfish and dandelions. Remember, you have a baseline grade, and so if you took it the first time and say you made an 86 on it, but your baseline grade is a 90, then you've got to retake it. And I'm going to be messaging the ones that need through Canvas, the ones that need to redo it, and the numbers that you need to miss, or that you need to look at again. The codes, all new codes, will be on this week's assignments, so make sure you look for those. You'll also have another practice called After the Tone. It's super easy. It's set up like a play, but it's real easy. It covers some standards, RL 7.3, 7.4, 7.5, and 7.6. I think you'll enjoy it. As always, message me through Canvas, email me at agkelly@nasd.ms. Also, my Google Meets are Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 to 10 a.m. This week, I'm going to be giving a participation grade for anyone who hops on. So make sure that you pay attention to that and do that. I hope you guys have a good Easter weekend. We're able to spend some time with your families. I hope you're staying in and practicing social distancing and taking care of yourselves. Hopefully we'll be through this soon and life can return to normal. Alright, as always, I'm here for you guys. If you have any questions, just let me know. Take care. Have a good week.